This is BirdNote. A bright yellow sunflower swaying in the breeze is an attractive sight for many birds. An equally yellow American goldfinch lands on the huge flower head and begins pulling out ripe seeds. Found throughout North America, the common sunflower can grow up to 10 feet high, towering over other herbs and grasses. Some giant garden varieties grow even taller. They're rugged, adaptable plants, able to sprout along roadsides, deep within prairies, and from dry spots in urban gardens. One secret to their success? Sunflowers have roots up to 10 feet deep, reaching sources of water that other plants just can't. While you might be most familiar with the common sunflower, there are many other related species, each with slightly different habitats and unique flower shapes. Planting sunflowers in a public green space or a backyard garden can do a world of good for the local ecosystem. Bees and other insects gather their nectar and pollen. Finches and other birds seek out their seeds, which often last well into the winter. And, like birds, sunflowers bring vibrant color to the places they live, especially in the weeks when summer transforms into fall. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein.